Yawning is meant to slow down the brain to free up energy for metabolic activity. The need to lower the brain's gear by yawning exists when the brain detects a situation with a metabolic overload while the brain is too busy with non-critical activities. Thus, often feel bored. The accepted, but incorrect, explanation for yawns, which also exist in fetuses and mammals, is that yawning is intended to cool the brain. The liver, kidneys, and brain use over 50% of the body's energy at rest. BMR, when we are exhausted, usually due to metabolic fatigue, often after a heavy meal, which burdens the metabolic system, the brain downshifts through a yawn or a series of yawns to free up required energy resources. The use of the liver and kidneys. The fact that yawning is a contagious phenomenon comes from a completely different explanation. We tend to imitate others to save valuable resources of the brain. It was initially thought that yawning was intended to pump more oxygen into the lungs, but this theory was wrong. The explanation that yawning is intended to cool the brain is plausible, but the answer still needs to be completed. Summary: if the explanation that yawning is intended to cool the brain were the complete explanation, then when we have a high fever or if the weather is scorching, we would yawn endlessly. Which is not the case. In metabolic fatigue, the liver and kidneys are under high loads. In such a situation, the supply of nutrients to the brain is impaired. Therefore, when we are tired, we yawn to lower unnecessary brain activities, thus, saving energy. Thank you for watching this video.